Hello everyone, myself Aisha Iftikhar and I am PhD in statistics, and in today's video I'll show you and introduce you to DataStatPro, an online AI powered statistical software designed to simplify research analysis. Whether you are working with cross-sectional data or whether you are working with clinical trials or you want to do some structural equation modeling or dissertation, this platform helps you perform accurate analysis and understand your results without getting lost in complicated software menus. So many of you can be struggling with SPSS and how to interpret p-value and confidence interval and which test do you use. And the main problem that many medical students face is the interpretation of the results. They know their variables, they know their data structure, but they don't know which statistical test is accurate for them. So DataStatPro is a very useful and very easy to use software that can help the researcher and the user to not only choose the correct and appropriate statistical test, but it also gives you the assumptions and the interpretation of these tests as well. So you don't need to write the interpretation on your own. You can understand and you can implement the result as it is in your research article or in your reports or in your dissertation assignments whatsoever. So let's start with this software. When you will write datastatspro.com in your search engine, you can see the homepage of this software. You can see that there are different different videos, featured videos available there for your convenience. Now you can see there that this is the DataStats Pro offers comprehensive online statistical analysis with interactive calculators, web-based platform featuring data visualization, statistical calculators, and online statistical learning, publication-ready results, and AI expert interpretation. So let's start exploring this. You can see that you have to sign in this software by your Google email ID. So I have already signed in, so I will skip this step. So let's move ahead. You can readily start analyzing now. You can use AI powered assistant. DataStat Pro can be used cross platform on data desktop, laptop version, tablet, and mobile version is available. So first of all, you can see that you can use it cross platform. You can use it for data management. It can handle different types of files such as Excel file, CSV, JSON file, Google Sheet. So nothing to worry about that. You only have to upload Excel file. If you have CSV file or your Google Sheet, JSON file or any other, you can use it easily. You can do advanced analysis, right? There are so many advanced analysis available, different hypothesis testing and quality checking test that you can use it. And it is very useful in visualization as well. You can create beautiful charts through DataStats Pro. So let's explore the next section, that is comprehensive statistical toolkit. You can do inferential statistics, data visualization, correlation analysis, sample size calculator is there, epidemiological studies. You can do cross-sectional case control, cohort, matched case control, that is very much useful for medical students. Then survival analysis, reliability analysis, you can create pivot tables and many more. Then it comes with uh, different payment plans are there. There is one account that is free guest access. Then a standard account is there that can do all the guest feature. You can upload your personal data, but there will be a limit of data. And you can even, it is a cloud storage based software. So if once you upload a data set, it will be there. So you will not going to lose the your data set. And then it is a pro account that is $10 per month, that is not much higher. And then educational account, that is free. You can also create the educational account. Okay, so first of all, we will go to start your free analysis, and it will take to you the datastat dashboard. It is, you can see that there are so many functions available right there. Menu is very simple. This is the data tab. This is the data management tab. You can manage and organize your data set. You can import data set, export data set. Data editor is there. You can edit and modify your data right in the software. You can rename the variables. You can transform data. You can data filter. You can filter the data with your own needs. Then there are descriptive statistics, frequencies, cross tabulation, which is very useful for qualitative data, multiple response, and normality check is there. And in inferential statistics, you can have t-test, all the variations of t-test, one sample, independent pair sample t-test, non-parametric test. Then there is assumption checker, that is very important for us. Being a medical student, we are mostly unaware of the assumptions that test may require. ANOVA, different kind of ANOVA, and design of experiment. Then correlation, linear regression, Cox regression, logistic regression, time series regression. And in visualization, you can see bar chart, pie chart, histogram, box plots, scatter plot, rain cloud plot, pivot chart, tables, error bar chart, Sankey diagram, shelf life plot, and interaction plot. And in calculators, you can see that sample size calculator, epi calculator, summary stats, confidence interval calculator, effect size calculator, and p-value calculator. So these are very important calculations, and these are very important information. And you can see that quantities, statistical quantities that we have to find in various cases, right? So in advance, you can see that there are survival analysis, reliability analysis, cluster analysis, meta-analysis, confirmatory factor analysis, exploratory factor analysis, mediation moderation. So I think it covers all the needs of statistical analysis. So it can be a very good replacement, or you can see the good alternative of SPSS. And if you are not aware with programming, so if you are not very willing to use R or Python or Mathematica or software like that, so it is very handy for you to use this software. So publication ready tools are there, result manager is there, academic tables, you can uh, create different tables in APA format. You can see that writing and formatting, right? Citation manager is even there, flow diagram and figure capturing. Editing and enhancement tool are also there. And they have so many supplementary material for you. There are books, comprehensive interactive biostatistics book is there, interactive business statistics it's there, practical epidemiology is there. So you can consult these books if you have to know about any statistical concept. So you can seek the help from these books as well. So let's move to the other. This is the, these are their connect and support portal, help and resources, feedback, share this page, app update, notification, email support, Facebook, all the links are there, right? So next is these tab we have covered. So let's see, you can uh, establish your profile here as well. You can see my profile is there. So you can set your country as well, right? You can add your institution, and I have standard account. You can change it to Pro as well. And now move to the other information important for you, that is AI analysis. In this video, we will be only introducing this software to you. In next video, we will do analysis one by one so that it can be more useful. So this is AI assistant that has three tabs: AI analysis assistant, AI data quality assistant, and statistical analysis advisor. So you can take assistance from AI, that this is the data, and or you want to do these tests, how you can do that. If you want to do a relationship, if you want to find a relationship between two variables, or if you have case control study, so then you have AI data quality assistant. It will do missing data patterns and recommendations, outlier detection and handling suggestions, data distribution assessment, variable type validation, data improvement recommendation. And then it comes to statistical analysis advisor. So it has four options: smart recommendations, guided workflow, explore methods, and search filters. So that's all for today. We will inshallah ta'ala start with other options in next video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe this video.